Hey fellas, so I brought this Grover horns, got them off my cab over, and I removed the brackets, but of course both of the bolts broke off. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to reuse this. I'm gonna try to remove them, but it's not gonna be easy because they are super seized inside. And these brackets, to reuse them, I'm gonna have to clean them and grind this dirt and oxidation off of it. But I'm gonna try to open this one right now. This one was dirty, but not that dirty. Check this out. It's not very dirty. The spring is a little bit rusty, but it's still gonna work. And this plate need to be cleaned too. I'm gonna open the second one right now. They are 40 years old, and I don't think they were open ever before. This one is a little bit worse than the other one. Look. All this dirt and rust. The spring is actually stuck here. The other one was not. Whoa, what we got here? Nice. What the hell is this? Wow. Like cotton balls. I think some bird brought something here. Was trying to make a nest. Still something there? No. It's empty. I hope they will work after I clean everything and put it back together. Okay, so I'm gonna clean it off, put it back together and test it. Okay, so we're gonna open this up a little more. All this dirt. And here is a gasket. I don't think I'm gonna be able to reuse this one. I may have to order a new one. I'll wash this. got the second one. I break it loose. It was tight, but not super tight. It was easy to remove. Here is the gasket. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need new ones, but for now I'm gonna clean this ones. Ah, see, broke off. But I'm gonna put it back and just test it if it works. And if they work, I'm gonna try to clean the chrome a little bit. I mean, polish or something. I don't even know if it's possible, but I'll try. I feel like I may have to order the repair kit. And the kit came with the plate, gasket, and the spring. And it depends where you buy it from. It ranges from $65, I mean up to $65. I found the same kit for $25. So but the kit does not come with the rubber grommet or rubber seal that it goes between the mounting plate and the horn. So I'm not sure where to get this from, or I'm gonna try to use a regular rubber seal. I'm gonna put this back together and test it. First one I'm gonna do with the still good spring and the seal. The second one, because I soaked the spring in a rust remover overnight and this one broke off. So I'm gonna put the second one with the broken spring and broken seal. I'll try to put it in the center. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, I got air. It works. Okay, now we're gonna this one with the broken seal. And a broken spring. Okay, let's test it out. Let me put the rubber. Is it? It's right here. Okay.